Will backend best practices enhance system performance? Have you ever wondered if following backend best practices can really make a difference in how well your system performs? Let's break it down and see how these practices can optimize your server, database, and code to work better together. First off, databases are at the heart of most backend systems. One of the best practices is to properly index your tables. This simple step can speed up how quickly you retrieve data and execute queries. Writing efficient structured query language can also make a huge difference. Additionally, using caching to store results from frequent queries can save time and resources. Another technique is database sharding, which involves splitting large databases into smaller, more manageable parts. This helps distribute the load and reduces bottlenecks. Plus, database replication increases fault tolerance and availability, keeping your system responsive even when demand is high. Now let's talk about server performance. Load balancing is key here. By distributing incoming traffic across multiple servers, you prevent any single server from becoming overloaded. Managing resources like central processing unit, memory, and disk input-output efficiently is vital to avoid slowdowns. Keeping your server software and hardware updated is also important. Implementing horizontal or vertical scaling can help maintain responsiveness as your user base grows. Code optimization is another area where best practices shine. Writing clean and efficient code can significantly reduce processing time and resource use. Regularly refactoring your code helps remove inefficiencies and makes it easier to maintain. Using asynchronous programming allows your backend to handle multiple tasks at once without blocking, which lowers latency and improves throughput. Profiling tools are great for identifying slow parts of your code that could use some optimization. API design is crucial for performance as well. If your endpoints return large datasets, implementing pagination can reduce data transfer and speed up responses. Throttling and rate limiting are effective ways to control request rates, preventing overload on your system. For long-running tasks, asynchronous processing keeps your system responsive. Lastly, stress testing and load testing are essential practices. These tests help identify performance bottlenecks before your system goes live, ensuring it can handle expected traffic smoothly. In practical terms, applying these backend best practices leads to faster response times for users, better resource utilization, improved scalability, and greater system reliability. By focusing on clear and manageable strategies, you can make backend development straightforward and effective.